Welcome, travel partners. Okay. As I have said kanina, my name is Richard Montuerto. I am your speaker for today's portal orientation. Okay. Introduction. So ano nga ba si e-access? What is e-access? So e-access is a powerful and intuitive online platform, okay, designed to streamline travel bookings with speed and efficiency. Okay, whether you're a travel agent, business owner, or someone looking to earn extra income, okay, our all-in-one system provides a seamless access to flights, hotels, tourist visas, ferries, e-loading, bills payment, and other essential travel services, all in one convenient platform or place. So with a user-friendly interface and a hassle-free booking process, e-access empowers you to manage travel arrangement effortlessly, okay, helping you grow your business and maximize your earning potential. So what is the vision and mission of e-access? Our mission is to be the catalyst for a new wave of successful travel entrepreneurs, enabling them to realize their dreams of business ownership and unprecedented success in a competitive travel industry. So we aspire to transform the way business are started and operated in the travel sector, making entrepreneurship accessible to all, fostering a community of thriving travel business owners around the world. So our mission is to empower aspiring entrepreneurs in the travel industry by providing them with a comprehensive online travel business portal equipped with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled support to help them launch and grow successful businesses that thrives in the dynamic global market. Okay, so what are the benefits if you're one of the travel agents ni e-access? So once you're partner with e-access, you will be able to enjoy this following benefits. So you'll be able to enjoy our platform, which is all-in-one business na po siya. You'll be able to promote our services to your relatives, to your friends, Facebook friends, or to those who follow your business page. Okay, one-time payment, lifetime membership na po ito. Ibig sabihin, isang beses lang po kayo magbabayad for you to be able to market or do your business. Mapa-online man yan, or kaya you're planning to have your own office. Okay? You choose and use your own business name and logo. It means, hindi po si Access ang magpropromote dito, kundi your own travel agency name. Or kaya naman your own travel agency or your business. Kasi po, the our portal is designed, okay, for you to be able to upload your own logo. Okay? So every time magbo-book po kayo ng airline, ng hotels, or kaya naman ng tour packages, okay, for airline and hotels, I mean, for airline and tour packages, okay, yung mga SOA, hotel voucher, automatic po yan, nakalogo po or under sa travel agency ninyo. Okay, for the hotel voucher naman, so naka-under sa hotel po talaga siya. Kasi that is the policy of the hotel na we cannot make our own hotel voucher na may logo ng ating travel agency. But that's a good thing rin kasi they will be able to quickly check kung na-book ba talaga yung ticket or wala. So usually nabubook naman po talaga lahat ng hotel bookings natin. Okay? So no renewal fees and hidden charge, downloadable users manual, downloadable marketing materials, meron po tayo niyan na you can download. Hopefully nasa group na po kayo ni e-access para you'll be able to download the marketing materials. Zoom trainings will be provided as one of the trainers. So ito po yung example ngayon na meron po tayong Zoom trainings. Okay, recorded trainings and yearly awarding and incentives. Okay, so we will be giving yearly awarding to all those travel partners who we are able to exceed our expectations or kaya sa sobrang daming booking. Okay, yun po yung requirements. Okay, and at the same time, incentives. So sa mga travel agents natin na masisipag at maraming bookings or transactions sa kanilang portal, expect that we will be giving you an incentive po. Okay, so what are our services we can offer to our market? Okay, we have flight booking. So you can book domestic international flights at competitive rates with ease. We partner with top airlines to offer the best deals and hassle-free booking experience. Okay, for the hotels naman po, find the perfect accommodation anywhere in the world Browse thousands of hotels, resorts, and stays that match your budget and preference for a comfortable and worry-free trip. Good news po kasi yung hotel natin right now, konti pa lang po yan kasi we'll be adding more. Okay, we'll just have to finish the integration to all of the preferred hotels based on our clients' feedback before pa po way back 2018. So, definitely makikita nyo po yung mga magagandang hotels sa ating portal. Next is tour packages. So one of the sought after services that we have is tour packages. Alam naman natin yung mga Pilipino, foreigner man yan, or mga ibang lahi, no? Mahilig talaga mag-travel. Kung nakakapunta ka man sa Palawan, sa Boracay, sa Bohol, dito sa Cebu nako or sa Manila, sobrang daming mga foreigner or mga tourist. Ibig sabihin, sobrang booming po talaga ng travel industry right now. And no one can expect na after pandemic, ngayon, grabe, doble yung numbers of people who are visiting the Philippines and other sought after countries. Okay, explore breathtaking destinations with our exclusive tour packages. Okay, perfect for solo travelers, families, or corporate retreats. Okay, we craft unforgettable experiences tailored to your needs. Next, we have ferry booking. As you all know, our ferry booking is still on integration. However, we have an admin called Admin One E-Access. You can add him or her sa Facebook and message them sa Messenger for quotation sa ating mga ferries. Okay, so easily book ferry tickets for local and regional routes. We usually provide reliable and affordable ferry booking services, making sea travel more accessible. Okay, bills payment is currently available sa ating portal. Okay, for our ferry booking po ha, sure po talaga yan na magkakaroon tayo ng ferry. It's not a magic word lang na, ay, nag-promise lang naman yan sila. No, meron po talaga tayong ferry booking. Okay, tinatapos lang natin yung integration. Okay, so for our bills payment, skip the long queues, pay your utility bills, credit cards, and more securely and efficiently through e-access. Take note of this, guys, ha? Yung bills payment natin is only available from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So don't cater yung mga overdue na billings or kaya naman ng mga payments, and at the same time, wag na po kayo mag-cater na on the day na yung due. Okay, we can cater advance payment like at least 2 or 3 days before the due. Yun po yung pwede nyo pong i-accept ng mga payments. Okay, for e-loading, okay, stay connected anytime, anywhere, enjoy instant movie top-ups for all major networks. Okay, available po dyan yung mga big telecommunication companies. Okay, you can easily load or depende kung ano yung gusto ng client nyo, regular man yan or promo. Okay, next, travel insurance. Okay, travel insurance, travel with peace of mind. Get a comprehensive insurance coverage to protect against trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and unforeseen events. The good news po, yung partner natin for travel insurance is Pioneer Insurance. And mas malaki po yung inyong kikitain sa travel insurance kasi the commission is 15%. Okay, based on our observation from other B2B system provider, nasa around 7 or 5% lang yung binibigay nila. But take note po dito sa e-access, 15% yung ibibigay namin sa inyo na commission. Okay, okay na okay ba? 'Di ba? Okay na okay talaga. So we have also our visa assistance. Navigating visa application can be complex. Especially, it's not very easy to handle visa applications, right? So we made it simple. Our team ensures a smooth and stress-free process for securing your travel visa. Okay, for now, since hindi pa tapos yung integration ng travel insurance and visa assistance natin, so you can inquire po sa sa Admin One e-access. Later on, ipapakita ko po yung Facebook account ni Admin One e-access. Okay, so for our passport assistance as well, okay, we provide passport assistance for your convenience. You can message as well Admin One e-access. Okay, so manually po muna tayo. But take note, this is for our manual booking for travel insurance or services, visa and passport. This is only available from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. However, kung matapos lang po yung ating integration ito no sa ating e-access portal, then definitely you can enjoy it siguro mga until 8 p.m. Kasi yung top up natin right now for e-access is only until 8 p.m. But take note po, okay? we're planning, the management is planning to make it from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. yung ating office hours. So that would be great, diba? So next, so right now, we'll be doing the live demo. So let's go dive into navigating your portal. So I hope you'll be able to learn more into the navigation of your portal para at least you will be able to master on how to use your portal. So let's get to it. Okay. Give me a few minutes, guys. Ayun. And if you have questions, guys, after the what do you call this? After the presentation, we'll be able to, I mean, the orientation will be able to cater that. Okay, so pwede niyo po akong kulitin kahit sobrang daming questions, wala pong problema. As long as it will help you, okay, or kaya naman mas madadagdagan po ang iyong knowledge, then don't stop ask. Okay, don't stop to question po. Okay. So as you can see, for you to be able to log into to your eAccess portal, all you have to do is go to eaccessph.com. Okay, and then hit login button and then input your login details. So let's say, for example, my login details for our demo account is this one. So, login lang po. If this is your first time to log in, okay, sa inyong portal, then definitely kailangan nyo pong i-open rin yung inyong email kasi you'll be able to receive an OTP. Okay, makaka-receive po ang connected na email sa inyong portal ng OTP. So, make sure na ma-input nyo po yung OTP nyo bago po ma-run out yung oras. Okay, so right now, na-receive ko na po yung OTP. So, you just have to input the OTP. Okay, so this is our demo account, guys. Okay, but still, kahit demo account po ito, it's still the same thing, okay, with your account. Okay, as you can see, you'll be able to see the buttons here for flights, hotels, tour packages, bills payment, e-loading, okay, ferry, insurance, and visa application. Okay, so as you can see, this is our portal. So, ang una nating itatakal is this one. Okay, this button. So as you can see, meron tayong bell button sa taas. So this serves as your notification button. So every time we have announcements, every time we have new uploaded tours, or kaya naman nag-top up ka, you'll be able to receive a notification that it is either rejected or kaya naman accepted or declined. Okay, or may bagong tour packages. So let's proceed for the next button. So click lang po natin ito. Okay, this one, the avatar icon. Zoom natin ha. This one, the avatar icon. So sa avatar icon, dito po kayo pwedeng mag-upload ng inyong profile picture. Okay, sa left side naman, dito po kayo pwede mag-upload ng iyong logo for your travel agency. So every time po kayo magbubook ng airline ticket, automatic kung ano po yung logo na i-upload nyo, yun po yung lalabas sa ticket. Okay, let's say for example, let's click this one, the avatar icon. So, click natin yung profile. Okay, pupunta po tayo sa dashboard. So, sa dashboard, you will be able to see your balance amount and the number of transactions you had. Let's say, for example, this one, the demo account we've used, we tried to purchase or transact at least 4 transactions for e-loading and successfully na-process naman siya. So, that is why you'll be able to see there's a 4 number here na na-transact namin for e-loading. So, next for profile naman po. Okay, sa profile, dito po kayo mag-upload ng picture. So, all you have to do is hit the edit profile button. Yan. And then change photo. Ayan. So, let's say for example, hanap tayo ng picture ko. Example, ito na lang, ID ko na lang. So, yan. So, once na-upload na po, click nyo lang po yung submit. And it will be successfully updated. So as you can see, iba na po yung logo dito. So what if naman, sir, di ba sabi mo kanina, you can use your own business name and company logo? Yes, pwede po. So click nyo lang po itong agency settings, this one, agency settings. Yan, tapos edit details and then you can upload yung logo na gusto nyo po. Let's say for example, ito yung logo ko. Ito. Okay, click lang natin save changes. Ayan, uploaded na siya. As you can see, iba na yung logo ko dyan. Okay, as long as hindi masyadong mabigat ang iyong logo, maximum of 5 MB. So, pwede po yung i-upload sa ating portal. So, now naman, let's proceed for the referral button. So, dito naman po, you can share your referral link and earn instantly. So, how does this process or paano ba ito nangyayari on how you share your link? So, as you can see, marami tayong travel agents right now sa e-access. So, they're asking, sir, what if meron akong friend? What if meron akong relatives na they wanted also to do the business? Pwede po yan. And wag po kayong mag-alala. Bakit po? Kasi para for them to register, okay, all you have to do is copy this link. Click nyo lang po itong double square, okay, for copy link. So, makikita nyo po, link copied. So, ngayon, isasend nyo lang po yan sa relative na gusto ring magnegosyo ng ginagawa nyo. And then, doon po sila magre-register. So, after registration, you'll be able to earn 1,000 pesos. Okay? So for the deposits naman po, dito po tayo nagde-deposit. Let's say for example, for this one, create deposit. So meron pong instructions dyan on how to top up. Okay, let's say for example, bank, and then bank account kung saan po kayo nag-deposit. Ibig sabihin, ito. No, sorry. So, the bank account number of BDO and the amount. Kung magkano po yung deposit
That
nyo.
said, I have no bias here. I know what phone you get. We'll just give you the facts and help you decide which one's actually the right one.
Okay. Sige po, wait lang ha. I-change ko yung settings para pagpasok ay naka-off yung microphone ng ating mga participants. Pamute na po. Okay, let's continue. So ngayon, dito naman po sa reference number, ito po yung ilalagay nyo yung at least last 8 digit ng reference number. Okay, tapos click nyo po upload yung receipt. Let's say for example, hanap tayo ng resibo dito. Example, ito na lang. Okay, so ngayon, click nyo lang po yung submit and wait for 5 to 10 minutes to verify, na i-verify po ito ng ating accounting department and automatically po mapapasok po yan sa portal nyo once verified and approved by our accounting department. However, kung rejected naman po ang inyong top up, wala pong problema. Okay, double check nyo po kung saan po kayo nagkamali. There's a possibility nagkamali po kayo sa reference number, possible, or kaya naman sa amount. Okay, kung magkano po yung pinasok nyo na amount or dineposit nyo na amount, let's for example, 2,1 po yung dineposit nyo, tama? Tapos minsan sa GCash may 15 pesos na transaction fee. So yung ilalagay nyo lang po is 2,1. Hindi nyo na po kailangan pang i-include yung 2,000 ay yung 15 pesos. Okay? And then automatically, madideduct na po yung 50 pesos ng transaction fee for every top up in any amount. So for example, nag-top up ako ng 2,1, ang papasok dyan is 2,050 pesos. Okay, for the notification naman, ito lang po yung sinabi ko kanina that you'll be able to receive notifications every time we have updates or kaya naman meron kang request na tour tapos unfortunately hindi po kayang i-cater ng ating tour manager, then rejected po siya. You'll be able to receive a notification. Okay, kung kaya naman nag-deposit ka or nag-top up ka tapos mali yung ginawa mo. So, ang mangyari po niyan ay mare-reject po yan. Hanap tayong rejected ko na kuan. Ito, yan, rejected siya. Okay, now, here's the fun part. Kasi dito po kayo pwedeng mag-earn. Okay, for the service charge. So, dito po kayo magsiset ng service charges. So, manage your service charges for different transaction types. Okay, for flight domestic, you can at least input 200 to 500 pesos. Depends on you kung magkano po yung gusto nyong kitain. So, for international, same po, magkaiba yung rate. Usually, we charge 500 to 1,000. For hotel naman, depende po sa inyo. If you want to charge per booking or kaya naman per night, pwede po. So, kung 3 days and 2 nights, tapos gusto mong kumita ng 1,500, okay, for the whole duration ng 3 days and 2 nights. So, pwede po kayo maglagay ng 750 or kaya naman 1,500 diretso. Okay? So you can change the amount anytime. Okay? For example, this one, change ko, no? Gawin ko 500. So, click ko lang po yung update, 500, 700, 600. Kasi kanina 500 na siya. Update rate. So, automatic ma-update na po yan. Okay, so sa account statement naman po, all of your transactions will be available sa ating account statement. Okay, you can also export based on date. Yan, sabihin natin February 1 to March 31. So, yun, lahat ng transaction ko sa e-loading andito po. And at the same time, sa deposit ko. Tapos, pwede po yan ma-download by this one. So, naka-Excel po siya. So, sa support naman po, if you wanted an assistance coming from our back-end support, then you have to choose kung ano po yung inquiry nyo. Kung wala po sa selection, click others, and then input the summary of your inquiry or need nyo ng assistance and the details of your concern. Then, submit inquiry lang po. Okay? And then, if you wanted also to learn on how to navigate the portal without attending the live trainings, okay, meron po tayong mga recorded na trainings. Dito po yan sa upper left. Okay, dito po yung academy. Okay, click nyo po itong academy, then you'll be able to access all the training videos. Okay, all you have to do is click this one, then you can watch na po. Yan. Yan. So you can watch the video trainings. Okay. So let's proceed with the flights. Paano nga ba tayo mag-book ng airline? Are you excited? Kasi most of you, especially sa mga wala pa pong knowledge on how to book a ticket or on how to search, especially kung nag inquire pa lang naman si client. So ito po yung pwede kong maitulong sa inyo. Okay? So let's say for example, you have a client who's looking for a ticket. Try natin muna local ha. Okay, for Cebu to Manila. And then, yung travel date niya sabihin natin, September 24, tapos balik niya September 27. Okay, by the way guys, we can also cater senior and PWD passengers. Okay? Tapos search flight lang po tayo. Ayun. So, as you can see, meron po dito mga lumalabas na flight results. So, dito naman sa left side, meron po tayong filters. Okay, for either segment filter, price filter, for airline filter, or flight type um, na filter. So, for our segment, we have the non-stop, which is the direct flight. Yung one stop naman is meron siyang one stopover. Yung two stops naman is meron siyang dalawang stopover. Okay, so usually ang hinahanap natin is yung direct flight for client and for the lowest. Okay. And if you wanted na puro Cebu Pacific lang po yung lumalabas na flight, pwedeng-pwede naman po. Pero kung gusto niyo naman lahat ng flights na makikita dito coming from different airlines, pwedeng-pwede naman na hindi niyo na po i-check itong box na to. Okay? So as you can see, ang pinakamura right now is 1839.92 coming from AirAsia. So naglagay po tayo kanina ng 200 pesos if I'm not mistaken sa service charge. Ibig sabihin, itong rates na nakikita nyo po ay meron ng 200 pesos na commission. Okay, so paano nga ba mag-book? Click ko lang po yung select ang desired flight. Tapos click continue dito sa baba. Okay, so right now, nagpe-fetch po yung flight details natin. So, mapoproceed po tayo dito sa passenger details. So, let's say for example, ako po yung pasahero, no? Timing ako ay meron po kasi akong junior. So, pero yung junior ko nakalagay sa last name. So, let's say for example po, may junior ako sa last name. So, ganyan lang po yung kailangan kong ilagay. So, nagbabase po ako kung saan nakalagay yung suffix ko doon sa valid ID na gagamitin ko during boarding. Okay? So, kung meron po kayong mga questions, feel free to inform me after the, what they call this, the portal orientation. And right after our portal orientation, i-edit po natin yung recorded na training right now. Yes, Sir Polly, meron po tayong recorded after this session po. Okay? And then input the birth date. So sabihin natin December 7, 2005, yung birthday natin. Okay, and then we can also inform our client na kung hindi naman nagsabi yung client nyo na palagay naman ako ng baggage or so whatever or meal ba. So tayo as a travel consultant, we call ourselves travel consultant kasi we consult our clients based on their needs. Okay? So let's say for example, hindi naman sila humingi ng magkano ba yung rate ng baggage, ganun. So usually, nagbibigay na ako. Yan. Sa quotation na ibibigay ko sa kanila, nagbibigay na ako. Okay? So ngayon, ito ang ipapakita ko po sa inyo is paano mag-book. Okay? Pero kapag nag-i-inquire pa naman yung client nyo, pwede po kayo mag-click ng proceed. Okay? Yung kanina, para makita nyo po yung rates ng add baggage and the meal options. Okay? So, for example, ito, totoong booking na talaga to. Your client is asking for 20 kilos for Cebu, Manila and vice versa. Meals, sabihin natin wala siyang pinili, no? Okay, tapos dito naman sa fill with agent details, sa agency details, automatic i-click nyo lang po itong box. It will be filled with your own details. And then click this one, I agree in terms and conditions. So kapag kayo po ay nagbo-booking na, make sure you double check the flight summary. Ito dito, kung tama lahat. Kasi most of the time, nagkakamali po yung mga travel agents sa route. Okay, so bago po kayo mag-book, make sure to verify ito your client na, Sir, ito po yung booking summary. Okay, ito po yung booking summary, andyan po yung route, travel date. So, bago ko po ito i-book, kindly verify kung tama po lahat. Okay? Kasi, may mga clients tayo, ay hindi ka nga nag-double check sa akin or nag-ask sa akin kung tama ba yung ibubook mo. So, para hindi po malagay sa alanganin yung inyong booking, okay, you need to verify it first, sir client, kung tama na ba yung booking na ibubook mo. Okay. Tapos, always remember, ask for one valid ID sa client nyo. Kasi dalawa lang po yan. It's either your client doesn't have a valid ID or kaya naman minsan nagkakamali sila sa pagbigay ng spelling. So, you really need to rely on their valid ID. Kasi, for example, ito, kung Philippine Airlines pa ito tapos nagkamali ka sa spelling base sa binigay lang na spelling ni client. So, sino yung magbabayad ng charges nun? Kasi sa PAL po, may bayad per letter kapag magpapa-amend ka. Sa Cebu Pacific naman, free at saka sa AirAsia. Pero kahit po free, make sure lang po talaga na tama lahat kasi hassle po minsan. Especially kapag maraming nagkakaroon ng error sa airline. So, ang tagal ng pag-process ng inyong pag-change name or per correction. So, make sure, ask for one valid ID. Okay? And make sure yung valid ID nila is not expired. Okay? So, as you can see, I cannot proceed with this booking kasi I don't have the enough balance. So, nakalagay dyan, insufficient balance. So, as you can see, mayroon lang akong 10 pesos sa ating demo account. And then, right after mag-book po kayo, lahat po ng inyong bookings, dito po makikita sa ticket history. Yan po. Now, let's proceed with the hotel. Okay. So, search po tayo Cebu City, Cebu, Philippines. Okay, search po tayo August 1 to 8. Ano, tagal naman masyado. Sabihin natin yung check-in nila is May 1 na lang to May 5. Okay, tapos dalawang tao, one room. Okay. Sabihin natin kung apat sila tapos gusto nilang dalawang room, pwede po. Add nyo lang room tapos tigda dalawang tao. Pero kung isang room lang naman, so yan lang po. One room and two guest. Okay? Search po tayo. And heads up ko lang po sa inyo, yung mga hotels natin, hindi pa po ito lahat kumpleto ha. May mga idadagdag pa po tayong mga hotels na magaganda. So as you can see, makikita nyo po yung mga options or pwede po kayong pumili dito. Okay? Kung gusto niyo mga mahal na hotels, pwede pong i-click nyo po yung highest. Pwede rin po yung lowest. Okay? And then you wanted yung hotel type. Sabihin natin, your client is looking for a resort instead of a hotel lang. Okay? So click nyo lang po yung resort. Okay? So pwede na po kayong mag-click sa 235, itong worth na 2,353.63. Example lang. Select rooms tayo. Okay, antayin lang natin mag-reload yung ating portal. So right now, andito na po yung information ng hotel. You can check their photos. Okay. May mga hotels sila, konti na yung mga pictures. Pero this one, medyo madami-dami ata. Yan. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung mga amenities or meron sila sa kanilang hotel. Yan, may swimming pool. Okay, may resto. Okay, meron din sila mga activity dyan. Ito po yung mga sample rooms nila. Okay? So, pwede rin po kayong mag-check sa reviews. Okay? What people are saying. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung mga actual reviews ng mga client. Okay? Based sa mga, for example, this one, way back 2019. Okay? I'll start by saying I'm typing this is notes because the doesn't reach my room. Okay? Ang dami, ang taas ng complaint ng client. Tapos yung binigay niya lang is 2 star na rating. Yun. So, check natin yung selection ng room. So, meron silang standard double room. Meron din silang puro standard double room yung meron sila eh. Bakit kaya magkakaiba yung rates nito? Check natin. Okay. So, this one, standard double room, room only. Okay, refundable. For the standard double room, bed and breakfast, refundable din. Iba yung rates lang niya. Okay. So ngayon, click nyo lang po itong example lang if you wanted na ito yung gusto ng client, ito with bed and breakfast. Bed and breakfast. Breakfast in bed ata yan dapat. Or kaya bed and, okay. Check natin mamaya sa, natin, sa IP. Kasi supposedly dapat specific yan. Okay, so ngayon, we have room 1. Okay, so kailangan nyo pong input yung information ng client nyo. And then, dito sa contact information as much as possible pwede pong sa inyo or much better sa inyo po. Okay, and then bigyan nyo na lang po yung hotel voucher sa client nyo after successful booking and then click this one and then mag-book na po kayo and then lahat ng booking po ng tour ng hotel nyo ay dito nyo po makikita sa hotel booking history. Okay, since this one is a demo account, so wala po tayong actual talaga na hotel voucher. But soon, may ipapakita po ako. Okay? So, let's proceed with the tour packages po. So, for the tour packages, we have available for international, local, and for in case mo yung customized tour is, example lang, no? Yung client nyo is, meron siyang gustong tour. Tapos, yung travel dates niya and yung needs niya wala sa available na mga ready-made natin na tour. So, dyan po papasok si customized tour. Okay? So, all you have to do is select the country. Example lang, Malaysia. Okay? Travel date, sabihin natin. Ayan. Ilang adults, sabihin natin 2 adults, 2 child. Tapos kung ano yung gustong hotel nila, 5 star ba or 4 star. Tapos with pool ba or ano yung gusto nilang hotel. Tapos kung gusto nila with airline, i-click nyo po itong with airline. Tapos kung group, okay lang. Kung private yung gusto nila, then definitely we will be giving you the quotation based sa private rates. Tapos guest lead name, pwede muna ang pangalan nyo or pangalan ng client nyo. Example lang ako. Tapos click submit. Okay, wait po kayo sa response ng ating tour manager. Okay, for the international naman, we have a lot of packages na available na. But guys, this one is siguro less than a half pa to. Marami pa talagang i-upload. Okay, example lang for Thailand. Hanap natin itong promo. So for international, as you can see, ito po, makikita nyo agad yung tour details such as yung pangalan ng tour, yung poster, and then the hotel name, the rate per person, yung inclusions, exclusions, optional tours, yung tour itinerary from day 2 to day 4, yung terms and conditions, and the dates available. So let's say for example, your client is planning for December 11 to December 14. Tapos ilan yun sila? Dalawa. Tapos click next. Okay, autofill nyo lang po ito. Then submit request and then wait for the response ng tour manager natin. So, pwede nyo po ba itong i-post? Pwede po, i-copy nyo lang po yung image. Or kaya pwede nyo pong i-save. Yan. Kung sa phone pa yan, long press lang for you to be able to download the poster. Okay, so that would be all. And then lahat po ng transaction nyo sa tour ay dito nyo po makikita. Okay, sa tour, booking history. And we also have a tracker ng ating tour packages sa e-access. So I'll be able to share it to you later on as well. Okay, for the bills payment, okay, pili lang po kayo kung ano yung services na kailangan nyo. Let's say for example, for the credit card, usually I pay my credit card sa PPI. So, kailangan ko lang i-input yung 16-digit number, account name, and the amount to pay. And then click pay na po yan. Okay? So, lahat po ng transactions nyo ay dito rin nyo po makikita sa bills payment history. Okay, take note sa bills payment, this is only available from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And at the same time, we cannot accept bills that is overdue and on due. Okay? So for e-loading naman po, ito po yung mga available ng mga telecommunication company that we can offer to our client or may mga walking clients po kayo na gusto magpa-load for Globe. Input nyo lang po yung number from 0995, example lang, 473-9951. And then, click the promo na gusto nyo pong i-transact. And then, you're good to go na po. Example lang this one. Tapos, buy this load. So, kulang po yung balance ko kasi meron akong service fee na 2 pesos ata. And then, yung balance ko is 10 pesos lang. Okay, so dapat 12 pesos yan. Okay? So for our ferry, insurance, and visa application, for now, okay, you can message admin1 e-access sa Facebook or sa Messenger. Okay, message nyo po dyan for inquiry muna. The manual booking for ferry, insurance, and visa, it is only available from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. po muna. However, kayo po ay nakapag-avail po kayo ng promo, tama, right now. Naka 4,998 4,998 po yung na-avail nyo. However, kapag meron na po yung ferry, insurance, and visa application sa ating portal, magiging 9,998 na po yan. So, you're very lucky na naka-promo po kayo na 50%. Okay? Now, let's check. Ano pa yung pwede kong maipakita ko po sa inyo? Okay. So right now, I'll be sharing to you our tracker. Okay, just give me a few minutes while I pull up our tracker. Yun po. So this is our tracker. So dito nyo po makikita yung format on how to book a tour packages through email or kaya naman pwede po kayong mag-book ng packages through bookings at e-access. Okay, meron po tayong admin dyan nakalagay. So, pwede po muna kayo mag-inquire before proceeding to the booking. Kung meron po kayong mga questions, pwede po kayo magtanong with regard sa mga tours or sa mga bookings. Okay? So let's say for example, for the Philippines, okay, so meron tayo ditong ito, almost fully booked na to. Actually, dalawa na lang yan. Kasi kahapon may kumuha pa. So, tapos aside from this one is ready-made and the same time with airfare na po yan. Okay, all in na talaga yan with hotels. Okay, so paano nyo po malalaman yung information ng tour? Click nyo lang po ito. And then may lalabas na ganito po. Tapos click nyo lang po para ma-access nyo po yung posters and the itinerary. Yan. So, balik tayo. Ako, yung Facebook pa talaga yung lumabas. Okay. Okay. So, ngayon, lahat po ng mga posters na, anong tawag dito, na makikita nyo kanina, pwede nyo po yun i-download at i-post. Kasi yung mga posters na uploaded naman po dito, ay wala pong company contact information. So, hindi po mapupunta sa e-access yung booking, kundi sa inyo lang po. Okay? Tapos yung mga nakalagay sa baba na blanco lang for contact information, for email, you can actually put your own number and email doon. Okay? Para kapag mag-post po kayo, makikita ng mga tao na, okay, sa kanya pala talaga to kasi may contact information and contact details. Okay? So, meron din tayong tours lang. Okay? For Cebu and Bohol. Okay? For Davao. And madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, for the new domestic tours, ito tingnan nyo, fully booked na yung pa natin ng karaan for our Boracay. So may available pa for Boracay. This one is all in po guys. So as you can see, ito po yung mga travel dates. Ito naman po yung pangalan ng tour, Boracay, and departure city. Ibig sabihin kapag nakalagay Manila or MNL, that is for the IATA code for Manila International Airport. Okay? So ibig sabihin, galing pong Manila yung departure nito. So papuntang Katiklan. Okay, so the price for the tour is 11,838 and the down payment is 6,944 and the commission ng agent is 888 per person po yan. So kung isa yung nagpabook sa inyo, 888 pero kung dalawa, doble po. So the airline, anong airline? Cebu Pacific, ilang slots yung available? 20. Okay, same thing for Batanes, for Iloilo, Guimaras, and Mido, and Go Cebu. Okay, so meron din po tayong international. Siyempre, hindi talaga mawawala yung ating international. Okay, so let's say for example, hanap tayo ng pinaka-sought after, no? Sabihin natin ito. Ito talaga is very mura to, pero grabe yung experience na maibibigay nyo sa mga client nyo. Kasi around nasa magkano lang to, 30,000. Pero most of our mga BBIP na clients, nag-enjoy talaga dito and at the same time, they really enjoyed the hotel. Okay? So, walkthrough ko po kayo sa itinerary. Nakashare pa ba? Ayun, nakashare nga siya. So, ito po yung itinerary. You can actually send it to your client. Okay, kasi wala po itong contact information ng e-access. You can actually customize rin this one. You can put your logo here and put your contact information dito sa baba. Okay, so let's check, no? Baka kasi may makita ako na you can actually relate. Ano yan, sir? Ano yung ganito? Okay, so for this one, ito po yung pangalan ng tour. So, 6 days and 5 nights sa Avatar Shaman. These are the available travel dates. Okay, so for the day 1, ito po yung day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5, and day 6. Okay, and then for the city, ibig sabihin from Manila to Xiamen, okay, sasakay sila ng Airbus. Ibig sabihin that is airplane papuntang Xiamen. And then sasakay rin sila ng bus from Xiamen International Airport going to the hotel to check in. So as you can see dito yung meal XXXX. Okay, tatlong X. So ibig sabihin walang breakfast, walang lunch at walang dinner. Pero pag may nakita kayo ito B, ibig sabihin may breakfast yan. Kapag naka-X yung sa middle, walang lunch. Ay kapag may D naman, may dinner. Pero kapag may nakalagay BLD, may breakfast yan, may lunch yan, and may dinner. Take note po yung mga hotels natin kapag sa Avatar Shaman, puro 4-star and 5-star lang. Wala po tayong 3-star. Okay? Kaya very happy po yung mga clients natin kasi nga, for only 30,000 plus, you will be able to enjoy a high-end hotel Tapos, very busog talaga sila sa tours. Okay? So, as you can see, dito po, breakfast at hotel, check out, visit Huwei Mountain. So, kung gusto niyo po makita yung mga itsura nitong mga tourist spots, pwede niyo po yan i-Google. Okay? So, yan po yung itinerary. At ito naman po yung flight details pabalik. Yan. Ito from Manila to Xiamen, 21:20, 23:35. So that is 21:20 military time. Tapos departure date time nila is 21:20. Arrival time nila is 23:35. So 23:35, that is 11:35 p.m. Okay? So yung 21:20 naman is I think 9 p.m., 9, 10, 11. Yes, 9 p.m., 9:20 p.m. po yan. Okay, so dito po, tour dates, adult and child with bed, makikita nyo po 30,439 per pax. Okay, child without bed, 27,999. Okay, may mga ibang dates dito. Bakit mahal to, sir? Ito po kasi ay under peak season. So, as you can see, normal dates, 30,000. Pero kapag ito mga dates na to naka-mention dito, 33,489. Okay. So for tips and drivers, ito po yung para sa tips talaga ng driver and guide. Yan, excluded po siya. And then you will be able to see the inclusions and exclusions. So sa exclusions, nakalagay dito itong single supplement. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam yung single supplement, ay charges po sa mga taong magta-travel. It's either solo or kaya naman tatlo or lima. Kasi po sa Xiamen, especially dito, sa day 2 sa Xiamen po kasi, yung mga hotels dito sa Xiamen, naka-policy po kasi talaga sa gobyerno na hindi sila nag-aalaw ng tatlong tao sa room. Dalawa lang talaga. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, kapag yung client nyo ay solo or kaya naman tatlo, so yung may araw sila sa Xiamen na naka-single supplement. Pero mura lang naman yung single supplement. Kasi dito, $25 lang for one night in Xiamen. Okay, in case tatlo sila or isa lang talaga. Okay, pero guys, I do not recommend na mag-cater kayo ng one packs. Kasi red flag talaga sila pagdating sa immigration. Okay, kasi nga most of the time yung mga single, hindi naman sa lahat, no, pero most of the time talaga sila yung mga red flag pagdating sa mga nag-TTMP. Okay? So booking conditions, ito nyo po makikita kung magkano yung down payment. And then full payment should be made at least 30 days prior to departure. Important notice, dito nyo rin po makikita yung mga important na notice. Okay? Tapos sa poster naman, as you can see, dito nyo po makikita yung presyo per pax. This is the lowest. Okay, and then out Manila. And then yung itinerary from day 1 and to day 6. Ito po ay summarize lang yung mga available dates, exclusions and inclusions. And then dito nyo pa pwedeng ilagay yung inyong contact number, yung address nyo, and your email. Pwede nyo po itong i-download guys. Download nyo yan. And the itinerary. Pwede nyo i-post yung poster doon mismo sa Facebook page nyo or sa timeline nyo or pwede nyo gawing story. Okay? So, let's go back sa ating system. Ayan. So before we end, we really need to have a Q&A portion. So ano po ba yung mga Q&A questions? Meron po ba yung kayong mga clarifications? Meron po ba kayong mga gustong itanong na gusto niyo pong ma-clarify? Okay? We can do the Q&A right now po. Huwag po kayo mahiya guys, libre naman po yung mga questions. Walang bayad. And at the same time, hindi po ako nangangagat. Okay, so meron ditong first questions. From Sir Paul Lee. Okay. Can you get us a booking process and yung invoicing? Yung tour package rate po ba? Inclusive of VAT na po ba yon? Or magpa-add pa po ng VAT? Will you issue po ba invoice na walang brand para malagyan po namin ng own logo namin? We can only give you the SOA. Yung SOA po is the statement of account. Okay, which is wala po siyang logo ng e-access. Wala po siyang logo ng e-access and at the same time, okay, you can put your own logo po doon sa SOA. Okay, pero yung invoice po kasi hindi po yan siya pwede kasi yung OR ngayon, invoice na. So if you wanted to have an invoice, definitely, ganito po kasi, ito sa office ha, office related po. If ang client namin ay nag-a-ask ng OR or kaya naman invoice, which is yun yung tawag na ngayon, yung invoice, nagcha-charge kami ng additional 5% for the tax. However, ang ini-explain namin, sir, meron kaming dalawang parang invoice dito. Yung isa is acknowledgement receipt, yung isa naman is invoice talaga. Yung invoice, may bayad pang 5% if you want na mag-issue kami ng invoice sa inyo. Yung isa naman, yung acknowledgement receipt, wala po yung bayad na 5%. Kasi yung invoice, yun po kasi yung dinideclare natin sa BIR, kaya nagkakaroon ng taxes, okay? So ngayon, ine-explain natin yan sa client. Kasi minsan, hindi nila alam, ay okay, magbabayad pa pala ako ng 5% if in case I will be requiring the agency na magbigay ng invoice. So, pwedeng-pwede naman po tayo magbigay ng invoice. Pero nga lang, yung lalagay po sa invoice natin is the company name ng e-access. Okay, so hindi po under sa inyo kasi yun po yung nakaregister sa BIR. However, we do it a lot. Marami po kami mga travel agents na nag-request ng OR or invoice. So, invoice po ng company natin yung binibigay naman sa kanila. We do send the hard copy sa kanila, but they will be the one to shoulder the LBC, okay, fee, for the shipping fee. And then, an additional rin po, as much as possible, wag po kayo matakot magtanong sa admin natin or kaya sa amin kasi it will really greatly help you na makakuha ng right knowledge para po magkaroon po kayo ng ano, what we call this mastery pagdating sa industry na ito. So, wala pa po bang questions na iba or violent reactions para po mas marami po kayong matutunan right now? Sir Paul, sino-sino po ba yung mga fan natin? Mga guests natin right now? Tignan natin ha. May papalong quiz ako. Hindi, biro lang po. Okay, si Ma'am Lovely Rose de Lima, si Mikey Mitch, si Sir Paul, si Ma'am Jolene. Okay, Ma'am Jolene, meron po ba kayong questions? Ma'am Lovely, Ma'am Mikey, Sir Paul, meron po ba kayong questions before we end our portal orientation? Wala po ba? Naku, sayang naman po kasi 5 lang po kayo right now. Maibibigay ko talaga yung oras ko sa inyo. Huwag po kayong mag-alala guys. Any questions? Wala pong mali or wala pong tama or mali. Kasi I understand hindi po lahat sa atin ay expert na or kaya this is your first time bumping into this industry. Check natin. May nag-chat sa chat inbox. Okay. Sir, when nyo po isend yung recording meeting, it will be posted po sa ating group pero I cannot guarantee na today kasi po it will be sent pa sa ating graphics. So, yung graphics natin may priorities. Possible by Monday po or by tomorrow. It will be posted sa ating group and then yung link naman po will be sended sa lahat ng GC na meron tayo for e-access, Sir Paul. Ayun. So wala na po bang questions? Naku naman, sayang naman. Wala na po ba talaga? Naku, ako po yung merong questions. Okay, biro lang po. So kung wala naman pong questions, it means you have understand our okay, go ma'am. Go ma'am Mitch. Ano po yung questions po? For the certificate, wala pa po tayong available na certificate right now. However, magkakaroon po tayo niyan. Okay, we're just fixing something else lang po para magkaroon po kayo ng certificate for every training. Or kaya naman, certificate of affiliation, it will be soon be given po. Yes po, Ma'am Mitch. Ano po yung questions niyo po? Ay, okay na daw. Naku, Ma'am Mitch, baka nahiya lang po kayo, Ma'am. Hindi naman po ako stricto. Mukha ba akong stricto? Eh, hindi naman po. Okay, sige po, since wala na po kayong questions, hindi po ako mahiyain. Okay po, ma'am. Sige po. Sige po, ma'am. Lahat po ng ating attendees, I would like to congratulate you for attending our portal orientation. This is just a basic one, guys. Okay? So we will be having I think, intensive training. Okay, aside from the navigation for the visa, I'm very happy to announce or to tell you na we will be having a Facebook ads training. Okay, TikTok ads training as well. Okay, we're just looking for someone na meron talagang experience. Okay, we do have experience, no, pero iba talaga yung mga master. Okay, para ma-share namin sa inyo. Kasi it's very important for you to know it, guys. Okay, yung mga AI na ginagamit, ganun. So definitely we'll be teaching you that, guys. Okay, we'll be teaching you that stuff. Okay, so that would be all. So I would like to congratulate everyone, and I'm very, very grateful that I had time sharing to you my knowledge about the portal, about this orientation. And to tell you guys, we will be have more training. So make sure na maka-attend po kayo, okay? Just make sure na updated po kayo sa group natin para at least pa-notified po kayo sa mga upcoming trainings natin. Okay, so God bless everyone and see you on top. And I'm very, and guys, ito, kahit 5 lang po tayo no ngayon. So I would like to inform you na we will be having a awarding night this coming December 6, 2025 sa Manila po ito gagawin. Okay? So, we will be announcing kung ano po yung team at kung anong oras yung event at anong hotel. Okay, so I think baka meron sa inyo makakapasok sa top 10. Ako, I'm very, very excited naman na makita kayo. Okay, baka isa sa inyo or baka lahat kayo ditong 5 papasok sa top 10 natin. Okay, so anyways, I will not be wasting enough of your time. So that would be all, and see you, and God bless everyone and enjoy your weekends. Bye!